faces, new rotation, dropping hints to see if you're reciprocating. If I'm honest,